Hey Jack, check this out. This diagram shows how Azure automatically creates system routes when we set up virtual networks and subnets. It looks like it covers everything from basic intra-network VM communication to virtual network peering. Yeah, it's a great overview. For example, those system routes make it so easy to route traffic between VMs within the same network or across peered networks. But when we need more control over routing, like forcing traffic through a firewall or a network virtual appliance, we can use user-defined routes. Exactly. UDRs let us fine-tune traffic flow, like if we want to ensure all internet-bound traffic is filtered through Azure Firewall, or if we want specific traffic to go through an NVA for inspection before reaching its destination. This is really useful when we're securing sensitive traffic flows. Good point. And system routes also handle more advanced networking scenarios like VPN connections, whether VNet to VNet or site to site through ExpressRoute or VPN gateways. I think it's interesting that the types of routes and their priority are clearly laid out here. UDRs override both BGP routes and system routes. True. I also noticed that the second diagram shows the impact of a UDR on how traffic is routed between subnets. Without it, Azure uses system routes, but once we add a UDR, it directs the traffic based on the rules we define. Right, so we really need UDRs when we're designing more complex network topologies, like when routing traffic between subnets through a VM appliance or using forced tunneling.